Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a pair of dice is thrown 6 times. So, you are throwing a pair of dice 6 times. Getting a doublet are considered success. Okay, so if you'll get 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6, it is success. Compute the probability of no success. Exactly, one success. So this question is talking about success and failure. So hopefully this question belongs to a binomial thing, because you are throwing pair of dice 6 times, so things will change. Okay, so if you'll throw a dice 2 times, it means what? You're having like it is equivalent to throwing uh, two dice together. Okay, but it is pair of dice thrown 6 times. So pair of dice thrown 6 times means what? It is 12 times throwing, means 12 dice are thrown together. Okay, so this is the idea. Now try to understand this part. So they are saying that getting a doublet is a success. So can I say that probability of success, that is P, is equal to 6 by 36, correct? Because you are throwing pair of dice. Pair of dice means what? uh, Total sample space will become 36, and out of which success event is what? 6. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. So can I say that the probability of success is 1 by 6? Now probability of failure means q. Q is what? Remaining thing will become q. So can I say that it is 30 by 36, or else it is 5 by 6? Okay, now you are good to go with the answer. You know that you have thrown 6 times, so can I say that n is equal to 6? Okay, now look at this. So we have to handle the question number 1, which says no success. No success means what? Success will carry power 0. Okay, so can I say that n c 0 p to the power 0 and q to the power n, and here n is what? 6. So it is 6 is 0. P will have power 0, so it is 1 by 6 to the power 0, and then q is what? 5 by 6, and it will have power 6. So this is the answer to the first question. Okay, now let's jump on to the next. So exactly one success. So try to understand. Exactly one success means NC1, P power 1, Q power n minus 1. So can I say that it is 6C1, P is what? 1 by 6 power 1, and then 5 by 6 power 5. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. They are saying that it is at least one success. At least one success means what? One success plus two success plus three success plus four success plus five success plus six success. Or I can say that one minus no success. Okay, one minus no success, and one is one, and no success means what? Look at this first question. So can I go with the first part? It is 6C0, 1 by 6 power 0, and 5 by 6 power 6. Okay, so you can go with this one. Now we have this, the fourth question. And fourth question is saying at most one success. At most one success means what? Zero success is allowed, one success is allowed. Zero success means what? no success, and no success is 6c0, 1 by 6 power 0 and 5 by 6 power 6 plus one success. One success means what? Question number 2. Okay, so this is 6c1, 1 by 6 power 1 and 5 by 6 power 5. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.